Hi, my name is Bianca with Light Emitting Designs. We're an American LED company specializing in industrial, food processing, and hazardous area lighting. Today, I'd like to introduce our LX series. This high-efficacy IP67 fixture is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of livestock farming, food processing plants, parking structures, or any other area that requires high-pressure washdowns. Its patented thermal management ensures unmatched lumen maintenance for a long lifespan with virtually zero maintenance required. The LX series is designed and engineered in the USA with an industry-leading 7-year warranty. Now, here are some more details. The LX series linear light utilizes glare-free 160-degree wide-angle optics. This reduces the number of total fixtures required by up to 25% while providing comfortable uniform lighting. LX is lightweight and easy to install for just one operator. With durable extruded aluminum construction and versatile mounting configurations, this light is ideal for nearly any working environment. The LX series utilizes state-of-the-art LEDs to provide a CRI rating of 85 or higher, enabling better color rendition and definition. The fixture is dimmable with motion sensing for maximum flexibility and energy savings. It comes with versatile mounting options and an integrated, accessible junction box for easy wiring and cost-effective installation. The unique thermal management system ensures that the LEDs will have a long life with extended lumen maintenance. This means virtually zero fixture maintenance is required, and that the LX series will have a short ROI period. The LX series, with its high CRI, efficacy, wide-angle optics, and IP67 rating, is an ideal fit for a wide range of challenging applications. For more information about the LX and other LED lights, please visit our website at www.lightemittingdesigns.com.